Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable notifications and flight reminders on the Singapore Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the More button down below, and after that you should scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on Settings. Then you should scroll down to the Notification section, and the first option is Flight Alerts, getting updates on your flights, check-in time, gate information, departure delays, and about your baggage status. So tap on this button if you want to turn on. Click on turn on and you will be directed to your phone settings, where you need to click on notifications and tap on this button allow notifications. As you go back, you will be able to turn on the flight alerts and also the marketing option, including promotions, offers and deals. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.